Do you like teas, caffeinated or decaf? Are you looking for an environmentally friendly whole leaf tea that's bagless, organic, kosher, and also does good by donating? Well, then I might have the right product for you. Hey guys, welcome back. It's Abby. And on this channel, I do reviews on things that I use, and hopefully my reviews can be informative, helpful, and useful to you. Okay, as I mentioned in the opener, the product that I'm going to share with you today are teas. Yes, teas. One of the things that I really like about this company and their product is that they're women-owned, women-led, and as a bonus, their products are made in the United States. So if that's important to you where a product is made, then that's bonus information you have now at hand to decide if you're interested in this product. Personally, for me, I am not opposed to items or products that aren't made in the United States. Okay, and of course, at any point during this video, I will have chapters listed, so feel free to just jump to the chapter that interests you most. So before we go any further, I just want to provide you with additional information. Tea Drop is a company that I came across organically. This is not a sponsored video. I came across them organically on Instagram. Saw an ad. I'm always interested in teas and beverages, and came across their ad and decided to give them a try. I have been a Tea Drop subscriber, so I'm a member of their monthly subscription combo box. I've been doing that now for about 4 months. I initially got a sample pack around the holidays and decided to take the plunge and become a monthly subscriber to their combo box. So that's the product that I'm going to share with you all today so that you can see what items come in the combo box and you can decide if that's what you want to do or try out before you either subscribe to a monthly or just say, no, this isn't for me. Now, I also want to add that Tea Drop also sells individually packed sort of tea. So you can get a whole set of, let's say, like peppermint, matcha, ginger tea, maybe a set of, I don't know, 12, 24, but all that information is on their website, and I will link their website's information in the description box below. So I'll go ahead and share with you the monthly subscription box that I got for this month. I'll also share some additional thoughts and tips in case you're interested in this product, and then we'll close it out. Okay guys, let's go ahead and jump right in. So your box will look like this. Okay. Beautiful packaging, great colors. So this is this month's subscription box, and there's always something fun in there that you don't expect, whether it's like a sort of like granola bar that's really organic. This is a saffron latte satch. Interesting. So this is a dietary supplement. So there's always something new and interesting that you just don't really expect, but I will definitely try it and report back if need be. So if you're interested in knowing what I think about this particular product in here, just leave that in the comment box below. So here is what your tea box will look like overall. In this month's tea box, I have, strawberry shortcake. I have not had this before. I am so excited. One of my favorite cakes is strawberry shortcake. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I didn't expect that because the last couple of subscription box, 1 or 2 had similar things and I was interested in trying something new. Apple pie. Ooh, this might be a completely dessert tea box. Ooh, okay. So strawberry shortcake, apple pie, chocolate Earl Grey, which I've had before and actually do like, and this is the vanilla white tea, which I have, but I actually haven't tried it. So now I'll have several of these, but I actually haven't tried it yet. So those are all of the tea that came in my monthly subscription box for this month. There are a total of 4 teas per each tea. So for the strawberry shortcake, you get 4. For the apple pie, you get 4. For the chocolate Earl Grey, you get 4. And for the vanilla white tea, you get 4. And I think my subscription box, it's about 25 bucks. But either way, I'll link it in the description box below so you have all that information. All right, So I want to go ahead and open one of these up for you all and brew it. I don't know which one I'm going to do, but I want you guys to get a sense and an idea of what the teas actually look like out of the packet, and also how it looks when it's actually brewed. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my kettle, which is sitting over there, start that, and while my water is heating up, I'm gonna jump into some thoughts and some tips. So first things first, before you decide to go the combo subscription route, I would say, if you can, test it out. Do your research, see what options are available currently on Tea Drop's website. If they have the ability still for you to try out a combo box, then I would say definitely do that. So that's one thing. The pro about the combo box, again, is that it gives you that ability to try some teas in the dessert sort of category and the ones that aren't in the dessert category. It gives you generally options of decaf or caffeinated. So you'll get a variety of tea in your combo box, and I think over time, if you do it for a couple of months, you'll sort of figure out what teas really work for you. You can decide to not do the monthly combo box, but instead just focus on picking up those particular teas from Tea Drop in a set of 24 that you are really drawn to. Another thing about the combo subscription box is, as I mentioned, you get a total of 4 sets per tea. So that's about 16 teas. So if you think that the price point is right for you, then by all means, I would say it's something that you can try, even if it's at least once. Okay, so those are all the tips, thoughts, pros, and cons that I have to share with you. So my water has finally boiled, and the tea that I've decided to brew today is the strawberry shortcake. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up for you all. This is what it looks like in the package. Okay, and I'm just gonna go ahead and dump it in my teacup, and I'm using a clear teacup so you guys can see it better. Smart, isn't it? Beautiful color. Generally, I wouldn't touch this, but I think it requires some inspection up close. I love that. It smells amazing, and you get these lovely shapes. Tea Drop always has an interesting shape to each loose tea, and this one is a strawberry shortcake, so it comes in the shape of a heart. So it's actually probably a really cute tea to also use around Valentine's Day. Just saying. Okay, so here's the tea in the cup. Wouldn't that be lovely for something like Valentine's Day? Yes, it would. Imagine waking up to seeing that in a cup. Okay, so the water has brewed. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in here, and we'll see how it goes. Right? So it's nice and piping hot, the water. Okay, so I have the tea in here, and I'm just stirring it to get everything nicely incorporated. And to be honest, I probably used more water than necessary, but I always do that with tea. And I'm not saying that I recommend that, I'm just saying that's what I do. To probably get the maximum potency, it's probably important to follow the recommended amount of water. You use that recommended amount of water on Tea Drop's packaging for your tea when you're brewing it. So as you can see, because these are loose tea, you're gonna have sediment in your tea for sure. If that's something that you don't like, then maybe this is not the tea for you. But it was strange for me, I'm not gonna lie, initially, but I've actually grown very accustomed to it. And I just kind of enjoy knowing that I'm not wasting anything. But you will have to stir, because eventually the sort of loose teas will settle at the bottom. So if you don't want to sort of be drinking a bunch of loose teas as you get to the tail end of your tea, then you want to gradually and frequently stir it so that you're just kind of consuming the entirety of your tea, or that it's floating at the top versus at the bottom. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this tea. It's hot. Ooh, That's tasty. I didn't expect it to be. I have no sugar in here. I don't necessarily feel like you need sugar, but if you do, then it would make it a lot more sweet, obviously. When I try this again, I probably will add some honey or some like raw organic sugar personally, just to be able to get that contrast. I want to know what it tastes like with some sort of sweetener versus without a sweetener. But I'm enjoying this. I have no complaints at all. Okay guys, so I hope this video was informative, useful, and helpful in some way. If you are interested in Tea Drops combo monthly subscription box, make sure you drop me that information in the comment box below. I'll link the company's website and information so that you have quick and easy access to that if you're interested. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.